if you're trying to use or access the Guardian official website, but you are encountering this message, sorry, the page you have requested does not exist, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, number one, if you are experiencing this, then most likely the website has incurred a glitch that you need to fix, or sometimes the page you are looking for might have been deleted or changed. So the first thing you want to try and do is to go to the official website of The Guardian and try to check the page manually or search for the page using the heading if you know it. However, if you can't access it, then try and troubleshoot your browser, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. For that, just close and open your browser and go to these three lines here and look for settings. From settings, go to privacy and security. So for this applies to Google Chrome users, and here go to delete browsing data, and you want to select the length period. For my case, I'll choose last 24 hours and check the below options here. And once you have checked them, and select all these items and then go to delete data. As you can see, this will delete the browsing history, and now if you go back, you should now be able to access the pages on The Guardian. However, if you're still encountering a challenge, then check and then see that you're not using any VPN. If you have any VPN on your computer or laptop, this might be the reason you are unable to open pages on your website, and install any VPN or security browser that you recently installed to fix this. However, if that didn't work, then most likely the page was deleted and there's nothing you can do, or maybe The Guardian has experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes and then open your website to see if you can be able to open these pages. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.